Welcome to Bamfordrose, and it's another forum chat. And as you can see from what I pop up on the screen now, it's someone asking what the V12 Vantage sound quality is like. So this is V12 Vantage manual or the VS when it's had a Bamfordrose primary Decat option fitted. He says that he's listened to some videos and he's put off the sound. Well, a couple of things there. On sound that you hear that's been recorded off a phone or maybe a digital camera SLR, that microphone, depending on the ambient, the wind, whatever, it never sounds right anyway when you replay it on another sound device. The next, aftermarket exhaust companies or anyone selling a back box, they often do this. They put filters over the sound and make it sound better than it actually is. So be really skeptical of listening to something and judging sound quality. You really need to hear it in the flesh, or as this chap has done, tried to get opinions of other people. Now, the primary Decat, that's just going to be the same quality sound to pretty much the same noise level as it was stock, because it's just a primary cat that's been removed from the manifold. It's still got the secondary, the intermediate pipes are still the same, and the silence is still the same. So it's not really going to change, but by anything that noticeable. The primary Decat can be added to with high flow secondaries instead of retaining the standard factory secondary catalyst, and this will change the sound characteristics slightly. So it's going to be a bit more louder, but it's still going to be bass and baritone. It's not going to go high pitched or raspy. The Bamfordrose manifolds, because they are of tuned length, it's going to introduce that more Ferrari-esque sound to it. But depending on whether a customer wants that or not, we make the system slightly unequal length, not to destroy power, but just unequal enough to give it the Aston sound characteristic. And then if it was overall too loud, that's where we put the baffle after the catalyst. So anyone that's considering any of our exhaust options, the sound can be tailored to each individual's liking when we describe the sorts of sound you get out of each system. And yeah, as I said before, I wouldn't ever listen to a YouTube video or anything like that and categorically be able to determine what sound quality was actually like.